The company Omniprojekt, established during the recession year of 1992 with the main idea of manufacturing automatic packaging machines mainly used in the food industry. Yet the company has become one of the leading manufacturers in professional packaging equipment in Serbia, with stellar ratings in comparison to its competitors in the European market. Today, Omniprojekt handles the development, construction, producing with and assembly line for filling and packaging a plethora of products in their respective fold. The blooming team of engineers in the company works on creating prototypes of the machine whilst updating and improving on the existing production line. Omniprojekt, for its machines, uses an electric management system which has its own control software. The engineers have immense experience with the development of their control system on different types of platforms, with available flexibility of implementing in the client's software needs and terms. This is further demonstrated with our multi-decadal partner Siemens, not only for our consistency in the pharmaceutical industry, but as well as their rich portfolio of hardware and software products. The main market, apart from Serbia, are South European countries, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Northern Republic of Macedonia, Romania. Our presence in the past few decades has also been seen in the East, Ukraine, Belarus and Russia. For the past few years, our demand has been called in the Western European countries where we've established and maintained good clientele in Spain and Great Britain. Branko Babic, founder of Omniprojekt, has built his knowledge and experience as an engineer from being an engineer of growth and later as the leader of the development bureau in the, at the time, Yugoslavian corporation giant Prva Petletka, then in the year of 1992. Mr. Babic makes the decision to focus his energy, creativity and the development experience to invest in, later his life's work, in a project now called Omniprojekt. As the leader and founder of the company, he has devoted himself not only with the passion to succeed and realize his ideas with tenacity, discipline and constant innovation in growing the company, but also with his charm and leadership in improving and guiding young engineers. Today, the main production workline of the Omniprojekt lies in the pharmaceutical industry, with the next test for the company lying in expanding the market, with an opportunity to open the doors in the American market. Omniprojekt has taken the stage with big steps, grabbing every chance to expand and innovate throughout the years. Omniprojekt holds the idea of constant improvement through innovation and in choosing, as well as nurturing the quality of its staff in highest regard. For now, this has been a recipe for success.